If you feel me, help me sing it out.
Hey loves, welcome back to the channel. I am Shania Shayon and welcome back to today's nail tutorial. So I have somewhere to be and I was about to do my nails and I said, let me vlog this for you guys. Today these nails will be coming from Amazon, which are linked in my Amazon storefront. And I really love these nails because they come with the little cuticle stick as well as a nail file. So this is all you'll really need. We're going to jump right into it. All you need is your nails, your glue, and a nail file. So this is an extra step that I do. I like to use the cuticle stick and go through and push my cuticles back before I apply my nails. Now, this is not a mandatory step, but I think it really makes your nails look so much more natural. I think it helps them last longer, and it just makes the nails just overall look better and last longer. Like, I love pushing back my cuticles. It's also good for healthy nail care up under your nails, and I think that's why my nails grow so much when I wear my press-ons, is because I'm taking care of my cuticles as well. So I just now took off a set of nails, so I like also going through and getting that old glue on, and we're gonna move on to the next step, okay? And that is just filing your real nail. Now, I forgot to say, but make sure you are starting with clean hands. That is the most important thing. And then all we're gonna do is go through and file our real nail. This step is key, okay? If your nails are always popping off, it's probably because you're not filing your real nail under your press-ons. This really helps the glue stick, and you're just gonna go through and file each one to your standard or what you like, but make sure you are filing those nails before you apply the glue. Okay guys, now that our nails are filed, we are going to take our alcohol wipe and we're actually going to go through and just wipe our nails down. It helps get all that dust from the filing off, as well as I think that it helps the glue stick a little bit more. It gives it a nice matte base, which helps the glue stick. And I notice when I go through with this step, it also helps my nails last a little bit longer. So all we're going to do is go through and just clean them off, clean up underneath, clean all around. Like I said before, I hit on nails, so this really helps get that extra old glue off as well. And now we are about to apply our nails, guys. So you guys stay tuned. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and shop these on my Amazon storefront, guys. I really appreciate it. That support really goes a really long way, so thank you. Okay guys, let's just apply these nails. So I like to take off a few of these nails and make sure they just fit and I know which nail is gonna go where. So I think I'm gonna apply this nail here, and I will talk you guys through some of this, and then most of it will just have a nice playlist plan, okay? So you guys can do your nails. Now the key is applying your glue right, okay? Make sure you have a nice substantial amount, but one thing you notice is that I also go around the edges. Like, make sure you go around your edges and you have a nice amount of glue, because usually when your nails lift, they lift from the side. So make sure now that you are applying that nail directly under the cuticle, okay, and you are holding. Some of y'all move too fast and that's why they don't stick. So make sure you are holding it so for about 5 to 7 seconds. I also push on this side so they don't lift. So you guys, we are just going to go through and apply our nails, so stay tuned.
Pictures of you. Sip champagne, watching purple rain. Bodies in the same hot that you complain. Plus, I know you love.
Now right here, I am actually going through and adding extra glue to the sides. On this particular nail, my nail sticks out a little bit, and I do not like that. I don't like to have anything lifting, especially because I'll be washing my hands. So I'm just pushing my real nail up against the fake nail so that my nail is flush with the press on. So that's all I'm doing right there, guys. Okay, guys, so we are all done. Now we are going to go through and file. Most press-ons have a little like thing at the tip that always ends up scratching you and all of that. So I like to go and file that off, but trying to stay with the shape of the nail. So all I'm doing right here is going to just file off that little tip that comes on the press on. Again, these nails will be available on my Amazon storefront. If you're interested in more nail tutorials, then please leave nails in the comment. You know the little emoji that's a nail? Y'all drop those in the comments, and make sure you go check out my other nail tutorials. I have plenty of nail tutorials on my channel, so you guys make sure you go check them out. And right now I'm just going through again, filing off that tip, as well as just reshaping the nail. Sometimes your nails can be a little sharp, so I do like just making sure I'm not going to be cutting myself, as well as making sure that my nails won't get stuck in my hair. So as you can see, guys, these are so cute. I love them. Okay, like salon quality press-ons, salon quality nails in literally 5 minutes flat. I did these nails in 5 minutes. Okay, so make sure you guys go shop my Amazon storefront, and I'll see you guys in the next one.